Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Transcend 64GB SD card. I did purchase this product myself, and any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in my video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Here's how it comes packaged to you. Really simple retail packaging. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the package contents. Here are all the package contents. It's just the SD card, so we can see Transcend's logo on it. We can learn more about the speed ratings and classifications. So we have Class 10, U3, SDHC, V30, and UHS 1. 64 gigabytes is the capacity. Then we have a little lock icon right there. And on the left side, you can see with this yellow lever, we can lock or unlock the SD card if we want. Then we can look at the back side. We can see the pins. It says it's made in Taiwan. We can look at the other side as well too. So it's just made out of black plastic for the outer shell. Now let's go ahead, let's try it out. So now the SD card's installed in my Panasonic G7 camera. We're currently recording right now at 4K, 30 frames per second. It's been recording for over 3 minutes with no issues or anything weird to report back from using it with this camera. Now let's go ahead, let's stop the recording. Let's take the card out and copy it over to our computer to see how it does transferring the footage. So I have the SD card plugged into our computer. I've identified the file right here and we can view additional properties. It's a 3-minute video. You can see the 4K resolution right there that we just recorded. Now let's go ahead, let's drag and drop it so we can see our transfer speeds. And there we go, around 90 megabytes a second. And it's a 2 gigabyte file. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you, and we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you to miss anything going on around here. Drop a comment below too. We can't wait to hear from you guys. And while you're at it, please follow us online: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, WeChat, Discord, TikTok. You can even check out our website and join our free newsletter. Thank you so much for watching, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.